Hello, welcome to yet another lecture of this module, the hash link, or otherwise known as the anchor link. The anchor link is charged with the responsibility of moving your viewport to a particular section on a button or a link click. So when we click a link, instead of it to pull us to another page, it takes us to a section in the same page. This can be done with a link. If you do this with a link, it is only going to refresh the website and load it afresh. And you're going to start from beginning and start scrolling down. But we want a situation where if we copy a link with the hash link or with the anchor link and send to someone, we want them to get to the contact us section of a website. When we do that, it automatically, when someone clicks on that link, it automatically loads the website and pulls them down to that particular section. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The simple way, which is clicking a link and getting to the hash link, hash area or hash section on the same page, and also how to do it in case you want to actually transfer a user to another section in another page. So let's get right into it. So you see this particular part. This part is where you drop in every link. All link you see in your website is being created here. So if a button don't have a link in the URL area, it's automatically useless. Okay, so when you click a button in a website and it's not functioning, it means that they didn't impute any link or the link is broken. You get the point? Very good. So now if you want a button to refresh a page, you don't want it to just stay stagnant. You want when someone clicks it, it refreshes the page and go back to the hero section. What you need to add at the end of the button URL is a hash. That is all. But this leads us to understanding what a hash link is. So since if you put a hash on a URL, it reloads the same page the person is in. Then a hash link actually is a link that leads towards the page the person is in. That is also the reason why a hash link is used to navigate users to a particular section. Now, what is the connection between this section and this hash we added in the URL area? Now, this is the relationship. A hash link takes up the ID number of a section into consideration when moving to that particular section. So if there are 10 sections in this website, it is the ID that makes all sections separate or different from each other. So to create a hash link for a particular section, you just add a hash sign and copy the section ID number and add it after the hash sign. That is what is going to be the link for that button or for that link. So when someone clicks on it, it gets to that particular point. So let's try it out since we have done a lot of talking. I just have to explain it so you understand. So first, we add our hash link. Second, we find the section which we want to actually pull this particular link to. For this instance, is the last section here. So we click on that section. Make sure you are selecting on the section. You can open the structure panel. Let me zoom closely. When we click on this thing, it goes to this div. We don't want it to go to the div. We want it to go to the section. You can also do it to the div. In short, let's do it for the div. Since the div is what? Covering all this area. But why you should do it for the section is that the section actually have more autonomy over the div, which means the section is the first thing the person is going to meet when they get to that particular hash area. So we select on the section and we go to the section ID area. If you don't find it, click on this and you see the ID, click on the ID. It comes out, select all of the link text from here. Just drag and select everything. Okay, fine. Click option and copy. Now we've copied that link. We have copied it. Remember, what you need to do is to copy the link from the section. We go back to our button, click on the button. That place we added the hash link, just paste the link over there. So what did we do? We clicked on the button, add a hash sign. You may not even add the hash sign now. You can leave it. You don't even need to click on the button. Get to the section you want to actually work with. Click on it, copy the ID number, get back to the button, click on the button, add the hash link. You have seen it have even started working. Add the hash sign and put the what? The section ID. Automatically, when someone click on this now, it pulls down to that particular area. If this is a section under this particular one, it will also pull down to that particular area also. So for instance, we click option and we say duplicate. Remember, this section is going to have a different ID number. So we have to copy the ID number. Again, click option, copy, get to this part, and we have to replace it with that particular ID number. Fine. So when we click on this particular link, it will skip the second one and it will go to the last one. Skip the second one, go to the last one. You get the point. So this is how to create a hash link. Simple hash link in the same page. Now we are going to learn how to create a hash link that is going to lead someone to another page. Then it will take the person to that particular section. So to do this is simple. If that is the contact us page, for instance, the URL of this website is http://academy.caterstudios.com. What you're going to do is what? Paste it before the hash link. Paste the link of that page before the hash link. Just paste the link. Okay? After that, followed with the hash link of that section you want that particular button to lead to. So this could be the section of this particular page. This page might be about us. So it's going to be caterstudios.com/about us or /about/hash then section, which is the what? The section ID. You get the point? So if we are going to another page, that page is supposed to have a page extension. A page extension is like as you have about us, contact us, you can't just have home and have all those pages without having an extension. So it's going to be CaterStudio/ it's not going to be .com anymore. CaterStudio.com/about us or CaterStudio.com/contact us or CaterStudio.com/services or /dashboard or /anything. As you can see from here, we have /test because it is the page we are actually working with. So if this is test and this button is actually in the home page and this is the test page, we have in the home page, we have to add caterstudios.com/test/hash link and we put the ID of that section inside of the test page and automatically it drops down to that part. You can try it out. There's no big deal in it. Okay. So this is very simple. We are going to still get an assignment on this and the previous one. Okay. So that is it about the hash link for Oxygen Page Builder. On Elementor Page Builder, this is called the anchor link. Okay, it's called the anchor link, but in Oxygen Page Builder, it's called the hash link. This is all you need to know about the hash link in Oxygen Page Builder. I will meet you again in our next module. Okay, do have a wonderful day.